Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yej here. Today, as you can see, I am making goat meat pepper soup. This dish is lush. Stay where you are to find out exactly how I make this lovely one. See you in a bit. The ingredients we need to make this soup are some blended mix of garlic, red onion, habanero peppers and some ginger. We would also need some curry, thyme and cubes of Knorr. And something that's extremely important, we need a pepper soup mix. It has all sorts in there. I will list that below in the description box for you. And yeah, let's get into this. Okay guys, so I've got some goat meat in the pot and now I'm adding in my pepper mix, which has ginger, garlic, red onion and habanero peppers, and also adding in some Knorr cubes into the mix. I tend not to put any water into my goat meat whilst I'm boiling it, because when you start boiling it, water comes through, so you don't need to add any water to it. And I'm also adding in some thyme and a little bit of curry. Okay, and I'm just going to stir now to combine. And it's on medium heat at the moment on the hob. Okay, I'm just going to cover it so it can boil through. Whilst I'm waiting for that to boil, I'm going to get my pepper soup oat mix. I tend to have this as well, and I use my mortar and pestle to mash it up. Again, lots of people try to just, lots of people tend to get the ones that are already grounded, and you can do that, but I really feel when you use the old ones, like it has some things that infuse in there, and as soon as you pop it, the smell is so vibrant, it's amazing. So I tend to use both. So this is the old one. Put it aside and you can see I'm going to use it in a bit. Right, so you can see it's been boiling now for about 35 minutes. Again, I'm just stirring, making sure that there is nothing sticking to the bottom of the pot, and adding in some water. That'll be enough for my pepper mix. My pepper soup. And I'm adding in a little bit of crayfish. Yes, crayfish. Again, you can skip this step, but again, it takes my pepper soup to another level. And this is my grounded old pepper soup mix that I'm pouring in now, and it just makes the pepper soup come alive. Like the colours in there makes it come alive, and it has this little bits that you see when you go to like all those like Owambe Nigerian parties. Lush. Okay. Right now I am adding the grounded pepper soup mix that you tend to find everywhere. Again, if you want to skip the old mix, skip it and then go on to this, but trust me, try it with the old mix and then come back and comment below and tell me how amazing it is. Right, I'm just adding in some Maggie cubes to the pepper soup now. And that's just boiling through, and I'm just stirring it to combine. Cover the lid so it can boil over. And look at that, literally, it's boiling nicely. So that's been again for under 35 minutes. I like my goat meat nice and soft, so it literally falls off the bone. I don't like no tough meat. Some people do, I don't. So the longer you boil it for, we don't want it to be mashed up in there, but the more you boil it, the better you'll enjoy your pepper soup. Look at that. Okay, I did add some Uziza leaves to it. I don't have any scent leaves in the UK. I can't find the fresh scent leaves, but so I just did that instead. So I'm just pouring myself a little bowl, a big bowl. Anyways, I hope you have enjoyed this little recipe. If you have, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and don't forget to give it a lovely like and comment below as well. And I will see you in my next video. So do stay tuned and stay sweet.